Hello everyone, welcome to my small YouTube channel. I'm your favorite dream girl. Today is 27th day of my challenge, so there is only 3 days left beside today. After that, this channel challenge will be observed and end. And so today I am at home, so today is our institute is closed. Today I got into a terrible trouble early in the morning. What trouble it was? Let's say at the end. So first of all, I am starting my day combing with rough combing my rough and dry hair. What will I so do say? I don't care much about such things that it will stay with very smooth and silky. I mean my hair is very dry. It is just long but no thick at all. So my hair the hair is combed. I'm just using my clutcher. Then let's start other tasks. I like my hygiene. What hygiene needs to maintain? Brushing. Okay, many new brush. My new brush I kept. It's um it's happen every day to so 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 it's make me my hair a little better. Let's see how much long it was, how much silkier it is. So tie it with well, because there are other tasks. So I am taking with lip balm, taking it lip balm, then put some perfume for, because of my body fragrance is so horrible. Then then I saw add some uh, body lotion, not body lotion. It is a Dot and Kiss sunscreen. So I am applying for protect my skin. Then so good to smell is coming, but I don't like it so much. So I keep it ribbon away. So let it if you can braid your hair. Then okay, so I am thinking of eating something, and there is then sit down on to study. So I took out upma from fridge, which I always eat. But this upma I gave cauliflower, gave capsicum, and gave carrots. Didn't give tomato on this. There isn't much need to give tomato in there either. This very white. This is very white. I mean, early morning spice. I less as less spice as possible can be eaten. There are many who eats many spices things and finish it. And and uh, it is uh, and this is a Mozambique, and this is grapes, this is chocolate. This chocolate I share and I eat with minis. I mean, I won't be able to eat a chocolate alone. If I eat this chocolate alone, I will take me it will take me 5 days. And took this Amul Cool. I won't eat it now. I will drink this Amul lassi in between studies. So the chocolate, like other children, other girl child, come here my place. So in now it is exactly 11 a.m. So now my slightly hungry. To satisfy the slightly hunger, I take a chatu, so that this upma is newly made with carrot, tomato, capsicum. There are beans in it too. Another dogs for came for that dog. I took the biscuit took this biscuit and taking a egg. So today is Saturday. Yeah, it is closed. it is closed, so I won't eat eggs today. So I give it to the dog and took the green tea because now I am feeling a bit sleepy. My other tea, coffee are finished, so that only green tea is left. That's why two green tea only. Okay, today what happened is today is what that auntie walking aunties don't come. So auntie said, Mamoni, will you help me a bit? I said what? I said, will you please help me a bit for to cook? I mean, let me tell you, my house owner cannot do anything at all. Hand food got all right. Even go to down from stairs, she faced a lot difficulty. So I said, it fine. I am cooking today. I you eat at my place. You don't have to do anything extra. So I placed a step pan inside a pan. Inside the pan there are after the pan got heat, gave a mustard oil, and let me tell you, I cooked with mustard oil. Other oils are no not used much. So I cracked eggs in a pan and with onion, chilies, and a little salt mixed, and then put and poured into the pan. Fried the 8 eggs together. So the 8 eggs will be give four to aunties. I will eat four. So again heated oil like this, fried all threes, and then and on the other side, in a mixer grinder, I took some onions, ginger, tomatoes, and chilies. Ground this. I mixer in the mixer grinder. Again in a same pan, some giving us mustard oil gave some cumin and bay leaves, and then mixer grinded tomato, onions, garlic, and chilies. I gave poured into this pan. This is now till the water dried. I stirred with the spoon. I mean in lid. That's it until the water dries. I completely complete dry up completely. After water dries, turmeric, green chili powder, and a little bit cumin powder, and added it with like a roasted spices. You can also give garam masala if you have it. I gave roasted spices, stirred it, fried for a long time. Then it become mince. Then I gave the all of eggs into the pan and boil for 10 minutes. Then I add some garam masala. That's all. Okay, so what I left from for tonight. Let's eat that now. Now it is 7 a.m. and I am doing my dinner now only because I am hungry. So took mangoes for mango season, papad and upma. Has been eaten every day. There are many mangoes in my fridge, and so auntie ate a written in empty bowl. Here one things I found useless. That's cooking. Cooking in coming in Kolkata is where people have no rules and regulation much. I mean, one should not give empty bowls to someone. They don't find even know anything. So let me study my things. So it is very late night now. It is 1 a.m. I am hungry again. That's that made upma only I took again. I mean today in that day I got hungry 4 times. Seriously, 4 times. That's made upma. So some ghugni with in a fridge was in a fridge. I mean bought ghugni. This is I don't make though. Took out of bought ghugni. Let's see if it can be eaten. If it can be eaten, then after eating I will go to sleep. So and a little chanachur was also there. No, this is not chanachur. There are 4 days. Therefore 2 days. If not eat, it will be go for bad. So that's back for today, guys. If you liked my video, please tell me on the comment box. Tata, bye bye, see you later. Tata.